Grammar quiz, present tense. Choose one of the correct answers. I and my friends, blank blank, in a library. We read some books. Am, is, have, are. I and my friends are in a library. We read some books. She, blank blank, not work because she is sick. Is, does, do, be. She does not work because she is sick. Alina, blank blank, some songs every night. Sings. Sing, is, does. Alina sings some songs every night. My father, blank blank, tea every morning. Drink. Drinks. Drinking. Is. My father drinks tea every morning. Birds, blank blank, hide in the sky. Fly. Flew. Flies. Flying. Birds fly high in the sky. Look at the butterfly. It, blank blank, beautiful colors. Has, had, have, having. Look at the butterfly. It has beautiful colors. Do you enjoy playing in the park? Blank blank. A. No, I doesn't enjoy playing in the park. B. No, I no enjoy playing in the park. C. No, I don't enjoy playing in the park. D. No, I don't enjoy playing in the park. Do you enjoy playing in the park? No, I don't enjoy playing in the park. When do you do your homework? Blank blank. A. I have did my homework at 6 p.m. B. I did my homework at 6 p.m. C. I do my homework at 6 p.m. D. I'm doing my homework at 6 p.m. When do you do your homework? I do my homework at 6 p.m. I blank blank breakfast every morning at 7 a.m. Eat, eats, ate, eaten. I eat breakfast every morning at 7 a.m. My brother drives a car to the office blank blank. Last day, next week, every hour, every day. My brother drives a car to the office every day. How many mistakes do you have? No mistakes? Good.